minsan lang kita iibigin, minsan lang kita mamahalin. Ang pagmamahal sa'yo ay wala ng hangganan.
Continue straight at the first traffic light. Then, in 100 meters, turn right.
Dahil minsan ay magpagkailanman.
Yan po mga kaibigan ng aming requested songwriter this afternoon. Writer live at Bendia. Chill lang mga kaibigan dahil matraffic eh. Paano lang, kalma lang sa traffic. Thank you very much. Have a nice morning. Thank you very much.